Hi guys, hope you're well today. It's Matt Feast from mattfeast.com. I thought I'd quickly throw a video up on YouTube and say hello to everybody, all my subscribers and my followers. I'm just about to talk about my blog. I think it's very important to have a blog. I was asked this question by a couple of my downline members on my other businesses, which I promote online. And yes, I do believe having a blog is very important. You probably think, why is it important? Because I use a blog for a good base. You need a base. If you're working online, it's very important to have a base. The reason why that is, okay, if you promote on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or YouTube, okay, they're great platforms, fantastic. But what would happen if they took your account away? It'd be devastation. You would lose your income, wouldn't you, really? Yeah. So having a blog is very important. In fact, you own the blog. No one can take it away. Okay. And you can have a free account with these companies like Wix. They do free accounts. If you and also if you can buy a blog created for you from Fiverr.com. You know, for $50, you can get a nice little website made. Okay. Or you can do it yourself. You know, it's very, these days it's so easy to create your own blog. I actually own my own blog. I do use a company called Host Stinger. Very good, very competitive. Customer service is absolutely amazing, and I bought my domain name from them as well. So, but when you do a buy domain name, I always have it say, try and, put it into your name, because in the day, mattfeast.com, which is me, Matt Feast, the reason why that is because I'm branding myself. I'm not branding businesses, myself. The reason why that is because when you're building businesses online, you're an affiliate marketer, you're promoting other businesses, right? What happens if a company goes exit scams or disappears or can't afford to pay you? Yeah. Big problem. So at the end of the day, always brand yourself. Okay. No, for example, mattfeast.com. This is the industry we're in, unfortunately. It's a lot of scams out there. You've got to be very careful. But that's the nature of the beast, unfortunately. But the beauty about having your own blog is when you actually send traffic. Okay. This is my experience. I still do. I have opt-in pages and it goes straight to my affiliate offers, okay? So, great. But what I normally do is have it on my blog, okay? The reason why that is because, I've got other products, other promotions I do online, okay? Because this is my full-time job. Is that when I do promote a business, I'll give you an example. I'm promoting a business called Hodl, okay? You're hodling your coins, okay? That'd give me a good little commission if I'm referring people, okay? But what happened is, if I do send traffic to this, people might not be interested in Hodl. They might be interested in something else, completely different, okay? So basically, I'm getting 2 bites or 3 or 4 bites to a cherry, Well, so probably like 3 bites to a cherry. I suppose at the end of the day, it's was it 2 or 3 stones on 1 bird? Hey, I don't know what it is. Hey, you've got a gist. But anyway, for example, if you're looking at a business which I'm promoting, you can scroll down here. I'm promoting Icon Pro. I'm promoting Lead Sleep. I'm also promoting a company called Change Now, which is you can buy a crypto. And also I do promote traffic sources. For getting solo ads, if you're into the home business niche, and also gold and silver. These companies give me a good income. Okay, so basically, if someone's looking at my blog, they're looking at my other offers as well. And also, the great thing about this, guys, is that I'm getting organic traffic. Okay, I'm promoting a lot of businesses online on Facebook or Twitter. Okay. And also when I'm doing my blog, okay, I'm getting organic traffic from Google or Bing, okay? And also YouTube. YouTube is a very, very good source of traffic, because you need traffic to promote your business. At the end of the day, traffic is the blood of our industry. With no traffic, you make no sales, okay? But guys, it's so easy. When I actually do a blog, I share it everywhere, okay? For example, I'm sharing it on my email list. I share X, well, it used to be Twitter, Pinterest, Google Plus, Facebook, and all those social medias, and also Flickr, and also do what I call TikTok. I just started doing TikTok. Not bad, getting through a few little referrals there. But you need to get yourself out there, okay? I did have someone ask me the other day, why are you successful? I don't understand. That's this pretty silly question. Well, not really, I suppose. The reason why I said to him, look, if you're promoting yourself and you're building your brand and you're building your business, you have to get out the comfort zone. He goes, what do you mean by this comfort zone? Well, when you get out the comfort zone, you need to start doing videos. You need to start doing YouTube videos. Yes, it can be scary. I remember the times when I first started 10 years ago, I was so nervous doing videos and Facebook Lives. But what happened is you get used to it after a while. I used to edit it and try and see if it's okay and cut out the ums and ahs. At the end of the day, it's you, I stopped editing videos. Every now and then I might take some out or whatever, yeah. But people they want to know that you're a real person. We make mistakes. I'm human. But I found on working online is that you're building trust, and people want to see you as a person who trust, and obviously you're promoting your business. Okay, I think at the end of the day, people want to deal with people. I see so many marketers promoting businesses, and you don't even see their face. They send an email, or they contact you on Facebook or whatever. You don't see them. You don't see them do videos. I think those days are gone. It's all right to say 10 years ago, fine. But now things have changed. People deal with people. And I always find you've got to build a relationship up. I see so many people spamming, and also we're sending like Facebook messengers, and they send you a friends request, and before you know it, the first thing they do is spam you. You don't do that in this game. You build your relationship. Say hi, how are you getting on? And I always, when I send a message to someone I don't even know, I say, hi, my name's Matt Feast, and I always say, oh, I'm not going to spam you. I'm not going to. This is not a business call. I just say hello. How are you? And I always say, I like your posts. I read your posts. I think you're quite interesting, and we keep in contact. Something in those sort of lines, yeah. And then before you know it, they start seeing my posts on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, and before you know it, you're getting a following, and they say, oh, hang on a minute, you'll start doing cryptocurrency, or you're building traffic or whatever, and then you have a conversation with them, and before you know it, you've built a relationship up. And when you start promoting a business, okay, they're asking you questions. That's how you do it. That's how I'm doing it, and that's how you should do it. But anyway, guys, I hope you found this video useful. Please give me a thumbs up on my YouTube channel, and also give me a like. It would be nice, and put a comment on YouTube. And if you're interested in my online businesses, please reach out to me, and perhaps we can do some business together, or just come to my blog. I'll leave the links below the video. You can have a look at my blog. Something might interest you, and hey, just stay busy, guys. Meanwhile, have a great day. Thanks very much for watching my video. Really appreciate it. Take care, guys. Thanks very much. Thank you.